Want to get more done with Microsoft Teams? In this quick guide, I'll show you the basics, from chatting and joining meetings to sharing files and organizing conversations. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, take a moment to explore the main navigation. Depending on your account, you may see areas for chat, Teams, calendar or meet, activity, and more. To message someone, open Chat and select New Chat. Search for a person, choose them from the results, and type your message. You can also start group conversations, make audio or video calls, and share files directly from a chat. Next, let's look at meetings. You can schedule a meeting, create an instant meeting, or join one using an invitation or meeting link. Before joining, check your microphone and camera, then select Join. During the meeting, you can chat, turn your camera or microphone on or off, and share your screen. If you're using Teams for work or school, channels help keep conversations organized by project, department, or topic. A standard channel is available to the team, while private and shared channels can be used for more specific groups. Sharing files is simple, too. You can attach a file to a chat or channel, or access files through the shared area. In Teams, channel files are connected with SharePoint, while files shared in chats are stored through OneDrive for business. Finally, use the search bar to quickly find people, messages, files, and other content. Teams also lets you manage notifications and your availability, so you can stay focused without missing important updates. And yeah, once you get familiar with these basics, Teams becomes much easier to navigate, and that's the basic Microsoft Teams workflow.